I'm Marie, also known as Bargain Bluebird, and today I'm going to be showing you a fall trash to treasure DIY and fall tablescape. Today is my Celebrate Fall 2021 collaboration. It's my first, and I am really excited to see what you, my YouTube friends, have come up with in the way of fall decor, DIYs, and recipes. Be sure to check out the playlist below that I'll have linked in my description box as well as in my end screen for all the fall inspiration. So let's go ahead and celebrate fall. So every time we have sauerkraut, I have these large jars and I always think, I'm gonna do a DIY with these one day. Well, today is that day. So we just wanna get the labels off, and I'm using my nails here, and then I just decide to go ahead and soak them in water. I found this worked really well, and then you can see it comes off a little more easily, and then I just took a scraper that I had and I scraped the rest of them off, just like this. Once those are dry, you're going to take some alcohol and you're just going to take a cotton ball and clean off the glass surface so that it's nice and clean right before we start painting. Alright, we're going to take some painter's tape and tape it around the jar. I'm going to be painting the bottom third of the jar. Then I took plastic bags and I wanted to cover up the rest of it, and I used more painter's tape for that. This is a little messy. I'm not so sure I did that great of a job. You might find that you can come up with a better plan than I have done here, but it did work for me. I want to incorporate some copper, so we are going to be using the Rust-Oleum metallic copper on these jars today. So here's how they look when they're done, and then I just tied some jute twine around the tops to embellish them just a little bit. I didn't really want a lot of embellishment, just some. Alright, time to start decorating my tablescape. So I'm starting with these placemats that I purchased from Walmart. These are the Better Homes and Gardens brand, and I did purchase these a little bit earlier in the summertime, but because I really loved the colors. I wanted to use some of this ornamental grass that I am seeing a lot of other people use this season. That's really popular. So I went to Michael's and I picked up a couple of these stems. I did trim up this ornamental grass just a little bit. It's hanging over the edge somewhat, and I did trim it a little bit, you can see there. And then I decided that I actually wanted the napkins out and I didn't want them tucked underneath. I kind of just felt like having them lay there gave it a more casual look to it. Sometimes when I do a tablescape, I like to not put the silverware down, or like I won't put the glasses down and I'll just leave the plates. Like I leave the table set like that all the time. Today I decided to put the silverware down. finishing this plate off by tying some Dollar Tree ribbon around the grass. I think this makes a simple and pretty decoration for the plate. So I want my tablescape to have a casual look to it, and I have my pitcher that is a farmhouse style pitcher, and I also have some florals from Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and I really wanted those to just look like I gathered them up and stuck them in the pitcher. And then now I'm going to take my vases that I've made and I'm going to fill them up with water about, a little bit more, about 2/3 of the way. Little spill there to clean up. And then I'm going to put this on one of my small plates. I'm never quite sure where to put these when I have a bow on them, so I have them facing sideways. I always change my mind about that. I'm going to drop in a floating candle that I picked up at the store. And we're going to go ahead and light that, and that's just going to give us a cozy, warm glow for this fall tablescape. I felt it needed something else, so I cut some more pieces of my wide burlap that I have, and I'm going to just stick that underneath the vase. So this is my no muss, no fuss, laid back fall tablescape. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Please let me know which of these elements you like the best. Also, make sure that you check out the playlist that will be linked in my description box. There are some really nice, wonderful YouTubers who are participating in my collaboration today, and I would love it if you would check out their videos on the playlist and give them some love and give them comments, and subscribe to their channel if you like what you see. Thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.